Check out this 2006 Honda Odyssey. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. Call today to schedule a test drive.